Hi, I'm Kevin Johan. Welcome to 10 top tips on being more creative with your camera. In this short course, you'll learn to understand your camera better. You'll learn to be more intimate with your camera, and this will free you up to become more creative. You'll learn to control it rather than just be stuck on auto mode. You'll learn to do with it what you want to do and achieve the level of photography that you want to achieve. You won't learn everything in this course. It's just a short course, but it'll be enough to get you started or to get you out of the rut of just shooting in auto mode. What you will learn is about light. You'll learn a lot about light. You'll learn to set your camera so that it can get a well-exposed image every time. You'll learn about aperture, you'll learn about shutter speed, and you'll learn about ISO. This is the exposure triangle, and once you've learned how to balance these things, you'll have learned how to expose an image well. You'll learn about how our eyes are different than our camera, and how we see and what we see is different than how our camera sees and what our camera sees. And with that understanding, you will become a better photographer. You'll also learn about seeing light and understanding light and different lighting conditions, and about hard light and soft light, and when it's a good time to shoot and when it's the best time to get a really good photograph. How do I know all this? Well, I've been shooting photographs on manual mode for over 30 years. I bought a camera when I was a young man. I had a couple of friends that I used to hang out, we used to shoot together. I used to consume books and magazines and go to art galleries and look at photography and learn from the best just by looking. I've never trained formally. I was lucky enough to get a job in a newspaper, just filing negatives and taking clippings, and so much wanted to learn, and then worked in newspapers for a number of years before starting my own photography business, doing commercial, editorial, wedding and portrait work, a pretty broad range. And more recently I've been doing documentary style, working with non-profit organisations, producing material to help them. I love to teach, I love to share what I do. We've been running Chiang Mai photography tours for a while now, and it's been a great experience working with so many people during our workshops, and I love teaching. So I hope you enjoy this video course. I hope you learn a lot from it. Communicate with me, share your images. Let's enjoy doing this together. Thanks.